Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more financial comparisons. When comparing JPMorgan Chase and Santander Bank, several crucial elements must be considered to determine which institution best aligns with your specific financial needs. These factors include branch accessibility, the variety of products offered, the strength of their digital platforms, and any promotional offers available. JPMorgan Chase, a financial giant in the United States, offers a comprehensive suite of services encompassing personal banking, small business solutions, mortgages, credit cards, and wealth management. Its extensive national network, boasting thousands of branches and ATMs, makes it a convenient option for customers who value easy access to their funds and services. Furthermore, Chase's cutting-edge digital tools and highly competitive credit card rewards programs distinguish it from other institutions. Small business owners are particularly drawn to Chase for its adaptable loan offerings, merchant services, and sophisticated treasury management solutions. In essence, Chase excels as a comprehensive financial hub catering to both individual and business clients with diverse and ever-changing financial objectives. Santander Bank, in contrast, operates primarily as a regional institution within the United States, predominantly serving the Northeast. Backed by a global parent company with a significant presence across Europe and Latin America, Santander US maintains a localized focus. It offers checking and savings accounts, personal loans, mortgages, and business banking services with a distinct community-focused approach. This localized approach can be advantageous for customers who value a closer, more personalized banking relationship. While its branch network isn't as expansive as Chase's, Santander maintains a presence in key urban markets and continues to expand, providing adequate coverage for a substantial customer base. Santander also offers competitive interest rates on specific deposit accounts and user-friendly credit cards, appealing to consumers seeking to minimize fees. Regarding fees, both banks provide avenues to waive monthly charges, typically through maintaining minimum balance requirements, enrolling in direct deposit, or utilizing other bundled services. Customer service quality can fluctuate depending on the specific branch, but both institutions offer multiple support channels, including phone, online chat, and in-person assistance at branches. Ultimately, if a vast national network, premium credit card rewards, and a wide array of financial products under one roof are your priorities, JPMorgan Chase is likely the superior choice. However, if you prefer a more regionally focused bank with potentially simpler fee structures and a more personalized banking experience, Santander Bank might be a better fit. Carefully consider your personal or business needs, geographic location, and product preferences before making a final decision on which institution best suits your unique requirements.